Introducing the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth connection. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.